Alright, today we're working on a 2020 Honda Sonata.
This is the turbo, I think it's a 1.8. You have to take your intake box out. This thing right here. You have a 10mm here and back there. So actually first you'll disconnect your battery. 10mm here. 10mm there. They pop off. It sits in there like that. So take a 10mm, loosen this up. Take your sensor wire off. I just twist it over here like that because there's a little connection on the box. It might take a little bit longer to take off. Next you'll need a long extension and a 14mm to swivel
To get down to the starter.
Yeah. See the bolt down there? You can follow this. Probably have to look from that angle. Fish it all the way underneath here. Be careful. Don't force on this too hard. And then just use a long lever ratchet or whatever you need to break it loose. And then you have to screw it out quite a bit. And then you got one on the bottom here. This one's a little harder to get to. I would recommend a shorthand breaker bar like that. And you'll bring it in underneath here. And you'll see the other bolt. I already took the bolt out, but you can see it from this angle. Come from this angle. It'll be right here. And then your top one's up there. Before you can take the starter out though, you'll have to take some plugs off. This one connects underneath here. You have to pull this plastic out and then press down on it. And then you got another one over here. See this gray piece? You have to pull that out and that connects underneath here. Right there. And on your starter you'll have a 12mm. This is where the nut comes off. Take this rubber piece off and you'll see the hole that goes onto it. And this clips right in there. Just have to press that. That slides out. So I'm going to go ahead and finish taking this bolt off top right here. And I'm going to see if I can just fish the starter out just like that. So we'll stop the video and see how that goes and come back to you.
Happy fishing.